So today I'm looking at my latest Birchbox. And Birchbox is a monthly subscription service that sends you samples, hair care, skin care, makeup, cosmetics, all the fun stuff. And they definitely have gone down in quality quite a bit, but they're still pretty cheap. It's 10 bucks a month. And so I still subscribe to it. And they've had a couple good ones in a row, so maybe this one will be a good one. Let me show you what we got. For this month is perfect for summer. It's Soak in the Sunshine. So there you go. Embrace the warmer weather safely with these sun products. And you guys, if you're new to my channel, you might know that I'm a huge open water swimmer. So I'm out in the sun all the time. Okay, so we have Matrix Total Results. This is a conditioner. I use tons of conditioner. Oh, and we've got Mega Sleek shampoo too. And clearly you can see my hair is super long, so I'll get lots of use out of this. And then we have a little eyeshadow sample. Magnificent Metals from Stila. It's pretty shiny. We have a sample of, this is Remedy Cream to Oil Ultra Gentle Cleanser, Comfort Zone. So it's a pretty small sample there, but and then we have from Hanali Lip Treatment Clear. So I guess this is a mask for your lips. I don't want to open it because I'm not ready to use it. But I don't see, I'm surprised there's no like SPF. The cleanser, lip treatment, the shampoo, conditioner, and the eyeshadow. I don't see what any of these have to do with soaking in the sun. It's certainly a pretty decent box when it comes to Birchbox. That's for sure. So anyway, that is my Birchbox. Let me know what you think about this and what is your favorite sunblock that you use for the beach and everything, and what are you planning on to do that's fun and outside this summer. Put in the comments section, let me know. And if you're interested in subscribing to Birchbox, I'll have a link down in the description section. And thanks so much. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll talk to you later. Bye!